Hello guys, this is my first tutorial, my first serious crochet tutorial, and I'm just gonna start with the basics. I know most of you look at these videos, you hear people saying double crochet. You don't know what a double crochet is, a single crochet, what is a chain? You know, we're just taught how to start the chain, but we're not told step by step. So my video is about, we're gonna start with a chain, then we're gonna learn how to make a single crochet. After a single crochet, we're gonna learn about what is a double crochet, a DC, a double crochet, then there is a half double crochet. So there is a chain. After making a chain, you can go next to the single crochet. Maybe you want your item, or rather your crochet idea, to be either your project to be either made of single crochet or double crochet or half double crochet. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a chain, then you can use your single crochet or half double crochet or double crochet. So in most videos you find out they use the letters. For example, if it is single crochet, they'll say SC. The right SC. SC. That is single crochet. In some other videos they use half double crochet, that is HDC. H standing for half, D standing for double, then C for crochet. And then the next is double crochet. You find some crochet tutorials, you find the ones who make them, they use DC. So there is SC, HDC, then DC. SC, S stands for single, C for crochet. Then HDC, it is half, which is H, double, which is D, then C stands for crochet. Then DC stands for D is double, then C is crochet. So after learning those, there are many more symbols that are used that I'm gonna teach during this course. So if you have any questions, you can write a comment so that I can be able to answer it during my next video, or rather during my next teaching, crochet teaching. And also, to add on that, I want to know how many want a crochet book. I mean, it is a book that combines everything. You can find all those symbols. You can find tutorials for different items, such as ruffle skirts, ruffle hats, crochet. For example, another one is shorts, booty shawls. You can find them all there. So I just want to know how many people want it, so that I can know how I can supply it to you guys. So we are gonna start. I know I have talked a lot, but hope you have taken something from what I have spoken, because next we are going to make a chain. After learning how, so let's learn how to make a chain. This is double. It has double sides, and this one is 1.5. This one is smaller than this one, which is 3.2. So if I want to use, there are many items that you should use a smaller version, and the other items you can use the larger version. And there are items you can use both smaller and larger, as long as they rhyme and they make something that is presentable and someone can buy, or rather you can wear it yourself. Crochet is about how you love it, how you want to use it, not about how it is supposed to be used, but how you personally, the maker, or rather the one who made it, want to use it, or rather how you want it to go about it. So a chain, first there is something we make. You start when you're starting. This is your personally I started like this, so I don't know how you started, but I'm just gonna teach those who don't know how to start it. It is like this. Then I take this, cross this one, we cross it to make a loop. So I'm gonna start it like this, then cross this to make a loop. After making the loop, you're gonna chain one. We pulled through. So I made a loop, and then I took this and then pulled through. You see that? Chain. This is your loop. This one is your loop. So make it as tight as possible. So as long as it is not very tight for you to come and do the second round. For example, if it is a single crochet in HDC or DC, you'll be able to do it. So make sure it's not too tight and not too loose. It should be in the middle. Okay. So we do this. You pull through. You pull through. You take, then pull through. You take, then pull through. And then I know some people go through a problem with holding this. You see this? This is a yarn. The way I have hold it by these other fingers. I have done this. Okay. You know there are many ways of doing it, but personally for ease, I do this so that I do not spend most of my time doing this. You know, there is this doing most this wastes time. This, but personally I do this. See that? This. Then as I continue, it pulls itself. It just brings itself like this. As I continue, it brings itself. So it should be wrapped kind of tight, but not too tight around your finger because it might make wings on your finger. So I do this. I pull through. I pull through. I take my pull through. Take the yarn, then pull through. So that is my chain, as you can see. That is my chain. That is how it looks like. That is my chain. So after making the chain, we are gonna go to single crochet. Most of you ask what is a single crochet. You're like, what is an SC? And in most items, after making your chain, for example, if you want to do a single crochet, now your second round on this chain, you want to make a single crochet. First, I finished it like this, right? I finished it like this. So when I turn, I'll do this. I finish it like this, then I do this like this. Then I turn. So to make a single crochet, add one chain. See that? One chain. Then don't crochet on this first chain. Go to the second chain. So a single crochet, don't take the yarn. Don't take it. Just put it through the second chain. Then pull through. I was just talking to somebody, so that was a commercial break. So let's come back. We were in the single crochet, right? I told you I added one chain to my chain. I added this chain over here. Let me show you. This one, this chain, this chain, this one. I added this. Then after adding this chain, this one, you can see it, this one. This is the second chain after this. So I'm gonna start yarning from the second chain. You just put it through, then you pull it. They become two loops. Then take it through. That is it. That is your single crochet. You can continue that way. Pull through. You put, then tear. Pull through. Put your crochet through the the chain, then pull the yarn, then pull through the two loops. That is single crochet. So that is all for today. Hope you've understood the single crochet. If you've not understood, you can write in the comment section so that I can do better next time. So goodbye, and hope I'll see your comments, and have a nice time, guys. Crochet is nice and very mind relaxing, and just makes you feel good even when you're not feeling good. And plus, this is a talent that God has given most of us, and that's why I'm here trying to teach you, so that at least I cannot be the only one who's earning out here while others are okay. Nice time. Hope we meet next time.